Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Moffat. Guys, today we're going to talk about refrigerators and light bulbs, why they keep blowing. This is my old refrigerator from the 20th century, just like me. I'm kind of hate to get rid of it because it's just like me, it's getting old. But 1999, General Electric. You can tell how old they are by looking at the label and finding the code. General Electric has a code, the first two letters are the year and the month. Mine's 1999. They repeat every 12 years. There's your label. The bulbs, number one reason why the bulbs blow is people put in the wrong wattage, or I should say they put in the bulbs that don't belong in appliances. They put in regular bulbs. The appliance bulbs are made to withstand really cold and really hot temperatures a lot more, and more importantly, they are able to withstand different vibration, because you have problems with your refrigerator. Sometimes the motors turn on and turn off, and you slam the door and so on. So they're a lot more resistant to vibration. You can replace these with LED bulbs. They get rid of that problem, so that's the one thing you can do right there. I found my problem was it was kind of loose and it was arcing. I think maybe it was dirty inside from condensation, but I didn't have to replace the socket. The loose or corroded socket is probably the second most common reason. Another problem is you can have a bad door switch, because when you close the door, the switch closes. But if that's not working, you're going to leave your bulb on all the time. And like I said, if you have really strong vibration when the motor turning on and off, you can, if that's a problem, you could probably put some pads underneath your legs of your refrigerator. If you have a bulb that is too high wattage, like this is 40 watt, you don't want to put in extremely high wattage. It could damage your socket. And once again, if you have old refrigerators like I do, where the gaskets are all old and corroded, get a lot of moisture in the refrigerator, which is going to also mess with your socket. If you get voltage spikes, really strong voltage spikes, you have power surges, then your refrigerator can blow your bulb really easy. They make surge protectors just for appliances, so you can look into that. And the last one is if you're really unlucky and if you have a new refrigerator. This isn't that common, but they have the control boards. Like, there's no digital anything on it. There's no digital here, this guy. But a new, everything's digital. And if you have a bad component on your control board, it can give you inconsistent power to your bulbs and cause them to blow. So those are basically the reasons why your bulb keeps blowing. Like I said, I got lucky because when I replaced my bulb twice and they blew it in, I realized the socket was loose. And so I think it was arcing. And I fiddled with it. And you can also take, if you can get access to the other side, look inside, you can pull up the center part of the socket sometimes and make it connect with the bulb a lot better, or clean it off inside. That's one thing you can do also. So those are the different reasons why your bulb keeps blowing. All right, guys, 1999. All right, take care. See you out there.